Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my video. Hi everyone with the spirit of learning. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angga. And today we will make the animation for the model. But I have prepared the design for you so you don't have to think about the design again. And yeah, so I'm gonna provide all of those assets that you are able to download. Just check in the video's description. Okay. But first of all, I have to slicing one by one. Just click here and background apps, and then I need this icon. So, and I need this button, close button. Okay. So after that, just file and then export and batch. Then I'm going to the desktop and Android and new folder assets. Okay. And done. So we're gonna check first. So we have background, button, and then icon. So the reason why I use this PNG because I'm not able to make shadow in the Android, so I'm using PNG. Yeah, but that's okay. And then you select all of them and create new Android Studio project. Okay. So this is for the bike loss, and then next and finish. So first of all we have to close this Java because we want to focus on the preview first. And in the app I'm going to paste all of those assets. Okay, and okay, and let's start to design in this layout with the constraint layout. Okay, and I need the background, so just use the background apps, drawable and BG apps. Oh, why I'm not able to make this? Please wait. Drawable and supposed to background apps, right? Not a BGN. But I don't know why I'm not able to make this. Okay, never mind. So to make it more easier, I will use image view, image parent, and then source, drawable big apps. Why big apps is not? Oh, sorry guys. I think it is because too big. Okay, so I'm going to delete, and you can use the smallest one. I think this one. No, I think this one is enough. And then we can copy again. Yeah, so you have to ensure that the background is not really big. Okay, and then we have to remove first the action bar. Yeah, just remove the action bar because we don't need that. And then I'm going back to the Adobe XD because I need this code, so I just want to click here, and then I got this hex code that I can use to the status bar. So you can go to colors and replace with D6D1F1. Okay, and you got this right. Nice. Okay, and then we need the text view over there. Just make raw content, and let's see the properties. So basically the color is like this, but later on we can do that. 42. Okay, so the text size is 42 sp, and then text is like this: lost your bike again. Yeah, sometimes I forgot where did I put my bicycle, but with this application I think it's more easier to find my bicycle. Okay, and I need to setting the margin left, and then I need to setting the margin right. Okay, so just setting like this, and then here's Yeah, I think it's supposed to be 40, sorry, 50 or 70. Okay, and then sorry, we activate this, and then here supposed to be minus. Okay, and then I just need to setting this. Okay, and yeah, if you see the design, it's supposed to be bold, so use text tool to be bold. And then how do I make this to the bottom, because we want to make it bottom. Okay, cool. And then extra spacing 6 dp. Okay, cool. Okay, and yeah, so after that we have to setting another text view for don't panic. The text was please don't be worried. Okay, and then 16 with the color, same color, and then text size is 16 sp, and we just need to move here, setting margin left, and then top, so left is 32. Sorry, this is top, so left is, if we see over here, 24. Okay, so we come back here. Okay, and then I have to setting margin top 12. Okay, cool. Okay, and then after that we need the button. So if we go check, is 220 with the 65. Yeah, because I have the shadow, so you have to setting bigger. So background is drawable button GPS. Okay, and I think I have to make it bigger again. Yeah, that's enough. 85, and this is supposed to be bigger. Okay, cool. So we just need to setting button, and then yeah, after that you click here. Okay, so we have active GPS here. Okay, and I'm going to preview first in the emulator. Yeah, it looks nice, but I think I have to make this text margin top, increase the margin top and make it bigger. Yeah, let's try. So you select this, and then margin top, where is margin top? Yeah, so we have to setting the margin top over here. Yeah, maybe 24, and then I want to make it bigger. Sorry, for this I think 300 dp. Okay, if you go check, because it's still longer and I want to make it now to the down. Okay, so how do we do that? Just try again. Alright, perfect guys. So we have this button, we have this text, and quite nice, right? So right now we just need to provide the overbox actually for the modal. So you're going to the drawable and new, and we call it overbox, and then I'm going to set and just use the solid color. Oops, lagging. Yeah, just use the solid color, and then CF, this is for the transparent. Okay, and then after that you need to setting here with the linear layout, so just make match parent and match parent, and then for the background is overbox. Okay, and you setting the elevation to dp. Okay, I think it's supposed to be 3 dp. Yeah, so this is the top one. Nice. And we need to setting the ID for overbox. Okay, and it requires you to setting the orientation. Yeah, just setting, even we don't use this actually. Okay, and then after that we have to make another linear layout here. So I'm going to make for this content, right? Okay, I need to put this content here. So right now let's try first with the linear layout, and then for the width is 300, and you can setting it to become wrap content, and we need to put image view for the icon, so 100 dp and 100 dp, and then source is the one sorry, what was icon? GPS, sorry, location. Okay, and this you have to setting the elevation to 4 dp. Okay, and give the ID to become my content. Okay, and then after that you have to setting this setting the gravity center. Okay, and then for this linear layout you have to, I think I want to make it longer, 320, no, maybe 340. Yeah, then after that I'm able to make it to the middle. Okay, and then you can setting left and right, and then top. Yeah, that's all you have to setting. So just let it first, and actually that we need the background, so we have to make our background here with the drawable background content. Okay, and then we are using shape, and then after that we are using solid here with the color is white. Okay, and after that we setting the corner radius 20 dp, sorry, 12 dp. Okay, and we setting the background here drawable background content. Okay, and for this image view, are we able to setting the minus 60 dp? Wait, no, we're not able to setting this, so I think I have to manually, so just remove the image view, and then you put the text view here. Let's see the properties of this, 22, and the hex color, and then here SP, and then text color, and then for the text is success. Okay, and make it bold. Okay, and we need another text view. So in this linear we have to setting the orientation to vertical. Okay, and another text view we have 16 SP without bold, just remove the bold, and then after that you copy this. Okay, and just put over here. Okay, and then I want to setting this week, setting the margin left supposed to be 40 dp, no, 30 dp, and then margin right 30 dp. Okay, and text align center, and I think that I want to increase again this to make it shorter. Yeah, and then margin top 16 dp. No, it's so far, 12 is enough, and line spacing extra 4 dp. Okay, cool. And below of the text view we need the button, so I think that I only need to copy from over here the button, and then you remove this because we don't need this. okay, and btn close. Okay, and this is supposed to be shorter, I think 180. Yeah, and then just setting the margin top to 30 dp. Okay, now I think that I have to increase the padding top. So in the linear here, setting the padding top 30 dp. No, maybe 60. Yeah, and then if you see that the button has same ID, this is btn GPS, and then you're looking for another button, this is btn close. Okay, and then we still have to do over here for the icon. So first of all, I want to put the button, and then we put image view 100 dp, 100 dp, and then source is the Logicon, and elevation supposed to be 4 dp. Okay, and then give the ID is what was that, Logicon. Okay, and I have to put here, but I think I have to increase to 6. Okay, so it's like slicing your layout. Yeah, I know it's little complicated, but if you need the good design, it's supposed to be like this. Oops, sorry, just undo and undo. Then I have to setting top and put here. Okay, so right now I'm going to test first. Okay, but before that, in the success, if you're looking for the success text, I want to setting another margin top 20 dp. Okay, alright, so we can try. If you found the design like this, it is because I forgot to setting the left and right, so we have to setting, sorry, we have to setting, and then we have to setting. Okay, and let's try again. Okay, cool. Now we just need to make it to become animation. And how do we do that? Yeah, so we need Java actually. So first of all, you're going to main activity. So if we think that we have something here like 1, 2, and then button 3, okay, so we have to declare the variable button is the button sales and button GPS. Okay, and then after that we have linear layout for the my content and then overbox. Okay, and then we have image view for the Logicon. Okay, so we have Logicon, we have content, and then we have what else, this overbox, and we have button close, this, and then the last one we have button GPS. Okay, and after you declare, you just need to setting btn CLS. So as you can see, I have declare and I have targeting. So once we click the btn GPS, okay, and we have to run the animation here, run animation, okay, over here, but we don't have animation yet, so we have to go to drawable to make go to RES to create Android resource directory for the animation. Okay, and after that we have to make from small. Okay, and here we gonna play with the scale and then with the translate and then with the alpha. Okay, So first I'm going to translate here from y maybe mean 100% percent p to x0, and then Android duration is supposed to be 1200, and after that we play with scale. So basically this is to make it small to make it big. So from x scale 0.0 and from y scale 0.0, okay, and then to scale 100 actually 1.0, and then to 1.0, but we have to setting the pivot is like the place, the coordinate. So pivot y is supposed to be 50%, and to make it middle is 50%, okay. And then don't forget to setting the end rate duration, so just make it longer because we want to make it different, okay. And after you translate, you need the alpha actually. So here I'm going to setting alpha, okay, from alpha 0.0 to alpha 1 with the end rate duration. So the alpha is supposed to be faster. Okay, cool. Now we have this, and then we have to declare over here animation. This is from small, okay, and then you copy here from small is animation utils. This ranim from small, okay. So means that if I click this button, the my content supposed to be from small. Start animation from small, okay, but we want to hide first this my content, okay. So in here in the my content, set alpha to become 0, and here my content set alpha to become 1, and we play. Sorry, I think I forgot to hide all of them, so let's hide first. So this is for the overbox, and this is for the Lochichon, okay. Now we play again. Okay, lost your back again now, okay. Activate GPS and the model will comes up, okay. So we need to make the icon first actually over here. So yeah, I think that I have to setting another things like the animation. So basically this animation for alpha, so this is from nothing, and this is supposed to be alpha only from alpha 0.0 to alpha 1.0, or you just left it 1, and setting the end rate duration, okay, for 800, okay. So here animation you can copy from nothing, okay, and then you can copy and just like this, okay. So if I click this overbox, it's come with the start animation from nothing, but make sure you change the alpha first to become 1, okay, and we play. So let's try. Okay, nice. Okay, so when we close, it's supposed to close all of them, right? So let's try again. Okay, so we need to setting the Lochicon actually. So here Lochicon set alpha 1, yeah, just try first, and then after set alpha Lochicon start animation from small, okay, and play. So actually that it doesn't working. Okay, so we're not able to use Logicon with the alpha because it's depreciated. Okay, so I think that we have to think something here. Yeah, just so we still have Logicon if we apply here. Yeah, if you see, Logicon is still alive. Okay, so if we apply, become like this, right? So how do we remove that? Actually, that first of all we have to make it clearer. Okay, so I'm going back to check from small. I think there's something wrong here. No, no error. See, we move this here, and then I think for this Logicon we delete. So actually that in here Logicon set visibility to gun. Okay, but after that Logicon set visibility visible, and Logicon start animation from nothing. Okay, and we apply. So if we try here, Logicon is appear. Okay, so in the first time Logicon is not appear, and then it's appear, but I want to make it different, so we have to provide another animation for this Logicon for Logi. Okay. And yeah, I'm going to use translate first. Just use translate from X. I think supposed to, if we go back here, wait, this is minus, so I will take it 100p to x0 and duration, oops, sorry. Okay, and then start offset after this is finished, so it's supposed to be maybe just write 1000. Okay, if we go back here, this is for the Logi, and then if you duplicate this, just replace and replace, and then after that this is for Logi. Okay, and we can try again. Okay, if we try this, oh, Logicon comes from bottom, right? And I think that I just want to change it. It's not using translate, but I'm going to use scale and alpha. Okay, so from yeah, and yeah, actually we can copy from small, just copy here scale and then replace. Okay, and after that we setting alpha, yeah, alpha, but we have to setting start of set. Okay, so basically is 1000 and this is 1000. Okay, and we play again. So if we try again, activate GPS, wow, it's working, right? But it's slower. I'm going to make it faster, and then here duration, just make it faster, and then you can setting here with the, how's that, interpolar. Okay, wait, I forget about this source code. Android interpolar Tor. Okay, and then here you can use any Android, and then anim, so you can use bunch. Okay, and play again. So let's try. Wow, cool, right? So try again. Wow, Cool, right? So yeah, so this is nice. So we just need to close this button and then it's supposed to be gone, right? So okay, let's continue. And I'm going to put another event, btn class, and then yeah, and after that we have to setting the overbox just like this. We copy here, and then first we have to back here. Sorry, I'm going to remove like this. Okay, and then here you're gonna use the view compact. Okay, and then here you have to use animate. So what to do animate, what object is the overbox. Okay, and after that we have to setting set start delay after the animation, supposed to be 1000, and then alpha 0, and then after that we setting start. Okay, so just copy. This is for the my content. Okay, and try again. Okay, try. Wow, it's not working properly. Okay, Sarah. Okay, so we forgot this actually. Yeah, I'm going to actually just reverse. So we have to setting this for Lochichon. Okay, Sarah, whatever will be. Okay, and then this is for the Lochi. This is set visibility. Wait, oh, it doesn't working for, oh, this is actually for Lochichon. Okay, oh, what about we use alpha? Yeah, so if we try here, oh, I understand, because the animation is still working. So I think that we have to, so for the overbox I'm going to remove, but here we use the set alpha to the 0. Okay, and the my content is start animation again, but it's different. So if you from small, just copy, and after that I'm going to create another anim to go. Okay, so we don't need this, so we put it go away. So here, yeah, from 0 actually, oops, from 0 to minus, and then here we just reverse actually. This is supposed to be 0 and then 0. Okay, and this is supposed to be from 1 to the 0. Okay, cool. Now we have to register a new animation to go. Yeah, so many animation actually, but it's okay, just make it so fancy. Okay, like designer does. So here for the my content to go and to go. Okay, and after that we try again. Okay, activate GPS, and then close. Wow, nice. Oh, and then it doesn't working again because I setting the Lochichon here to the alpha. So for the Lochichon, I think that I only need to make it visible gun. Okay, just copy here and copy. And then for the overbox we can use this actually. And then this is for the overbox. Okay, and try again and activate GPS and close. Wow, nice, right? So congratulations, you have to learn the fancy animation pure from Java and XML. Very nice. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. And nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you in the next time. Goodbye.